Hello loves and welcome to my channel. I'm truly Tara and here I do unboxings and reviews and a little of this and a little of that. And today I have a lure. This is always I'm wondering if it's going to be good, bad or ugly because I used to get this box and I let it go, but I was able to get a cheaper box and I've been really impressed with it. The thing is I've been seeing other people talking about this specific box and saying that it's not good. So I'm hoping that it is good because I don't know. There's getting to be so many boxes and there's getting to be so many things that I'm going to have to start letting go. So I don't know. I'm hoping that it's good. So let's unbox this. All right. So first things first thing that I see is Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Concentrate. Now, I have got Kiehl's before and was really excited to get it. It was a pretty penny, I remember that. And I got this exact thing. And I was not impressed with it. Like, I got a serum, I got a cream, I got, kind of a whole line of things. And I used it, but not for very long because I didn't think that it did anything. And it was one of the very first skincare things that I got. So, yeah, I wasn't impressed with it. But a lot of people apparently love it because it's still a huge, expensive line. Okay, so next we have Rail Beauty Collagen Facial Sheet Mask. Okay. Next we have Eve Lome Rescue Mask. And let me see. Okay. So it reminds me of a clay mask. So, and I mean, it's the same deal. Like you put it on, leave it on for like 15-20 minutes. Um, oh yeah, definitely. But this is, okay, after cleansing, apply over the entire face, avoiding eyes, leave on for between 15 and 20 minutes, remove gently with upward movements. I was really looking for some ingredients, but they are in Japanese, I think. Can you see that? I think that is Japanese. I'm not sure. Okay. So, yeah, that definitely feels clay-ish. Let me, where is my little, usually they send a little, oh, it's right here in front of my face. Okay. So let's see if I can find any ingredients. This face mask is a brilliant solution for stressed out skin. It has, or it uses Coolin clay. I knew it was like a clay to help reduce the oiliness in your T-zone that can lead to breakouts without leaving your skin, without leaving your face feeling totally parched. Okay, so okay, the Kiehl's, I don't even know if it's going to have, okay, let's see. Okay, so the collagen was $15.99 for 5 sheets. The Kiehl's is, it doesn't have a price. Oh, no, it does. $88 for 1.7 ounces. I told you that stuff. It is expensive. It's crazy. Okay, and that mask, mask is $58 for 50 mil. And I do love the packaging that it's in. Okay. What do we have? Oh, okay. Let's save that for last because that was my choice. So next we have Mud Masky. Another mask. Oh no, okay. So it's a serum infused moisturizer. So I guess you get your serum and your moisturizer in one. But I like serum so much, I would rather just have my serum. So I'm not going to open this. I will leave that for a giveaway. I know a lot of people like Mud Masky. I'm not that much into masks myself. Okay. And now we have another mask, but this is a hair mask. So, and did I tell you the retail price was $55 for that mud mask? I can't remember if I said it or not. Okay. So now we have Kristen S. Strand Strengthening Reconstruction Moisture Mask. And it is $15 for 6.7 fluid ounces. And you can, I didn't realize like it gave you a, okay, well, no, it just says it on this one, where to buy it, target.com, but I don't have a Target around here. I don't like Target anyway. Okay. So last but not least, sorry, I got lost in the box and there's nothing even in it. Rare Beauty Mascara by Selena Gomez. And I'm giving this to my lovely daughter because she has really started to get into mascaras. And if mommy's going to give her something, it's going to be something good. And I know that this is a good mascara. I personally have had a good experience with it. It is the one. Let me make sure that it's the one that I'm thinking. Yeah. Because I love that packaging. It's very simple, but like it's heavy. And I am seeing on here that the retail price for this is only $20. I find that to be pretty amazing because right now we have a lot of celebrity people doing cash grabs on skincare and makeup, and a lot of them are useless. There's a few of them I know I did reviews here. The J-Lo, the Cindy Crawford, it's not good stuff. It just isn't. You are better off to not buy into what they are. Now, there was a couple things in the J-Lo line that were all right, but most of it wasn't. The Cindy Crawford line, I didn't like one thing. I might have liked the face wash. That was it. And it was a whole, and let me tell you, with her, I got, what is that line called? Meaningful Beauty. So the last thing that I got was a shampoo and a conditioner. It was $98. And it only came with one pump. So I had to use one pump for both the shampoo and the conditioner. So I just left the pump in one, and then the other I would just pour it out into my hand. And I bought a shampoo and conditioner from Kroger that worked a billion times better than that stuff did. And that's actually, I'm going to have to do a review on it because I think that it's in a little square. I mean, I think I bought it just because it looked different, because it was in a square, like it was in a box. So I'm going to have to do a review on it because it's actually made my hair look really good. All I've done is wash my hair. I put that living proof stuff in it that I got in the FabFitFun box, and a little bit of dry shampoo. I always use dry shampoo, not just on days that I don't wash my dang hair. Like, I use it as like a hairspray. Okay, so that's all for the Allure. I kind of went off on a million other things, but yeah, I'm going to end it here. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Don't forget to add Truly Terra 15 to your Truly Beauty orders. I'm waiting right now on my Truly Beauty order. I cannot wait for it to get here. So, yeah, I'll shut up now, and I'll see you guys in the next. Bye.